Then this then got shot right there.
If we got shot in the head like that, I was probably a bit pissed off.
Well, because I shot a guy, he's dead. Then he goes to his mate, yeah, he's over there, he's over there.
Oh, what a wanker.
Yeah. I mean, dead men don't talk.
He's just a different type of dead person, that's what it is. I would have shot him again.
Nah, I want to get another Juggernaut game up here, and I'm the Juggernaut. I'll show you kill Fuckerson. I'm sorry, building up your body armour for Juggernaut game.
Oh yeah?
There.
That'd be sick.
Doing it over stage, so don't hurt my wallet too much.
You can find like complete IOTV. Can you actually see anything out of that mask? Or like not a mask, like full on protectors, deltoids.
Yeah, I got the black one last time, but I feel the hit, so I'm going to get a play card and some more protection under it.
It's making me feel claustrophobic just looking at you.
I would love to get one. They seem a little bulky and a little weighty.
But I want to get my guns back, other two guns back from negative. Okay, Jim, I've got a little project for you. I want a Juggernaut gun.
Look forward to it.
Oh, you get massive like miniguns from Taiwan for like £3 grand.
But I want negative to build one. He didn't do this one, my Spectre. My cyber gun I got back, he done that. And he's got two of my Spectre arms and my other Valkyrie. He's up servicing the Spectre arms, because that's already upgraded. And he's going to upgrade the other gun.
Yeah, I would love to upgrade stuff, but I only work a Saturday job. I only make 50 quid a week.
Well, let's put it this way. One guy's home with, he's got yellow vest with a beard, he's got a sniper rifle.
Yeah.
I'm always ranging him with this.
That's true. I'm going to see if I can get a sniper rifle. I really like the idea of getting a sniper.
I got a DMR.
Is it good?
Yeah, G25 DMR.
Get these fuckers, man.
Yep.
Alright, see ya.
I'm going up around this way. I'm going to hug this boundary. Yeah, the orange shit tree. I jack. The orange shit there is just.
We've got too many of us over here.
I'm going to push up a little further.
Can't go past Laurie.
Hey.
If you get a bit closer range to them, yeah. Is it that tech? Yeah, the orange paint. The orange paint.
Oh, fuck me. No.
I'm not dead, just changing position.
You guys
I think so, but I've got.
battery already.
Okay. Got an anarchy on you.
Yeah, yeah.
Were you tempted?
Yeah, anybody guys? 7 live. We're going to play, not going to 50. No, we've just had some. 23 left. Then we can go 7 track.
Yeah, they're pushing up really hot iron stuff here, which is all the firefights happening up here. Yeah. But the Greens are sitting in there waiting for them to cross the track. They're all going to try and push through this corner. Yeah, that's what we did. We waited around. Yeah, that's exactly what they're going to do as well. So if anything, play slightly more defensive further down here and wait for them to push over the track straight away.
Do you have a radio? Huh? Do you have a radio?
Yeah, why?
I just need to ask Jelly something. Jelly?
Ready to get Jake?
I think so. I just wanted to ask, I don't fuck anything else. Oh yeah. Oh. So it isn't just me, is it? No, it is. I already hit 3 people.
You're not a sniper man, Jake.
It's dry fire.
Yeah, I think it's about.
So it does. It has to me. There's a car coming up the track.
Aiden!
Don't say that!
Don't. It's only for like emergencies. Took my sniper.
I could change.
Huh?
Either the battery's died.
Yeah. I am trying. I'm actually getting people.
You get it?
I think the battery's died, but I got my other gun anyway.
Get a marshal to check it. Apparently they are hitting somebody down there and they don't think you take it.